Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to add shapes to design in GetStencil. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com. After that, log in to your account. Start a new design or open an existing design where you want to add shapes. In GetStencil, shape can typically be found within the Icons tab on the left sidebar. Click on the icons to open the icon library, which includes basic shapes like circles, square, and rectangles, along with more decorative items. You can also use the search bar to look for basic elements. Once you find a shape, click on it to add it directly to your canvas. Click and drag the corners of the shape to resize it. Move the shape around by clicking and dragging it to your desired location. You can also change the color of the shape. Click on this option and select the color you want. Once you have arranged and customized the shapes to your liking, click on Save button to save it and download the design by clicking on the Download button. Adding shapes in GetStencil can enhance your design by creating structure, balance, and visual interest. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.